This is the highest end luxury seed oil on earth. If you've never heard of Amaranth seed oil, you're going to experience it once you put it into your system and put it on your body. It is pressed from amaranth seeds, which means everlasting. In the ancient cultures, they would take it to have super endurance all day long. If you ever have a little dip in your energy during the day, you just take a shot of the stuff and it picks you right up and you're good for hours ahead. You put it straight into your mouth, get it in there, within 15 minutes, you're up and running again. Another super cool way to use it is at nighttime before you go to bed. Get your hands wet, shake the water off, put 2 drops, smooth it around your palms, massage it into your face, and when you wake up in the morning, it's all gone and you got this youthful glow you've never had before. So make sure to shop now and get activated with Amaranth seed oil.